Hello, boys and girls. Coach Walker here. And the purpose of this screencast is to teach you how to find files that you download to your computer. So you're going to come here and you're going to double click on this file folder. And you get this window. You go over here and you click on Downloads. Now you can see here, this is what I last downloaded. To get that to my desktop, I click on it and drag it over to my desktop. And there you go. There's my file that I downloaded so I can access it from my desktop. Now, another way you can do this is type in downloads in the search bar. Downloads, downloads. So I want this right here with the blue arrow. And I click on open. And there it opens the same thing. I click on downloads again. And right now I don't have any recent downloads. The last one showing was August 12th. So that's the second way you can do it. So I hope this helps. Goodbye and have a great day.